This is a free crypto airdrop that is super easy to farm. In fact, it's the easiest, most passive airdrop I think we've ever talked about on this channel. This project is called Get Grass. And if you want to quickly join right away before I say anything else, you can go to grass.matscrypto.com to get started. But essentially, I talked about this airdrop way back in the beginning of 2024 and showed you guys how to download a Chrome extension that would passively farm this airdrop that's coming out hopefully soon for you just by installing the Chrome extension. Let me show you guys how it works and why we are taking the next step closer to the airdrop, and you should participate now if you haven't already or if you want to, so you can make sure you get in time. First, we'll talk about how to farm this airdrop from step one. Meaning that if you have never done this before or you don't know how to get to this page, you're gonna go to grass.matscrypto.com and then register for your account. You'll then see this page right here or the dashboard page. What you'll then want to do is go over to the store page right here, and then you can download the Grass Chrome extension. You'll click download and it's going to bring you over to the Chrome web store. And then the Grass extension will pop up right here on the top right under your extensions bar on Chrome. You can click on it and then you can click login with the same information you just put in over here, which again will pop up when you go to grass.matscrypto.com. Then you click access my account. Then once you've logged in, clicking on this, you should have a connected signal. This is going to mean that you're already farming. That's it. You are already done. This is everything you need to do is literally sign up, download the Chrome extension, and sign into the Chrome extension. Once you've done that, you should already be connected and you are earning points actively. So now that you've signed up, connected, and are earning Grass points, what do these points mean and what are we actually farming? Grass is an AI data layer project, meaning that when you install this extension, what you are actually doing is allowing them to use your unused internet bandwidth to help train AI models. So as you can see right here, according to the dashboard, there are 2 million users using this right now in 190 different countries, meaning that roughly 2 million people have downloaded the Chrome extension and are allowing the Get Grass program to utilize their unused bandwidth on their internet to again train these AI models. So as you can see right here, you share in the growth of AI and you earn a stake in the network for selling a resource that you didn't really know you had or you haven't really used, right? So you're not using your internet bandwidth all the time. So if you have the extension installed and you're not using your computer for 12 hours of the day while you're sleeping or at work or doing other things, then you are actually passively farming for this project just by having that extension on your computer and having your computer turned on. Now, that does make this the most passive and easiest airdrop farm ever because there's no actual transactions you need to do. There's no capital you need to put in. There's no social engagement you need to do. There's no games you need to play. It's simply a browser extension that is utilizing your internet bandwidth to contribute to a network. So that's something you're comfortable with. I'd suggest moving forward in the video. And if that's something that you're not comfortable with, then I would just X out and go watch another one of my videos. So the next step after you've installed and connected your web extension, you need to go and add your Solana wallet to your account because now we're getting very close to the airdrop, which is going to be on the Solana blockchain. And in order to get the tokens during the airdrop, you need to convert these Grass points into tokens, which will only happen if you have your wallet connected. So the first thing you need to do is log on to this page right here under rewards, and you're gonna need to verify your email address. You've already signed up with an email address, but now you need to just go and verify it. Then once you do that, you're gonna actually go ahead and connect your wallet. If you ever wanna change that or your email, you're just gonna click your little icon right here, and you can either change your email on this button, change your username right here, or if you've already connected your wallet, you'll click this right here and click change wallet. But once you're connecting a wallet for the first time, this is the page that's gonna pop up. You'll click Phantom, and then you'll connect your Phantom wallet. Once you've done that, you're gonna get a verification email from Get Grass, making sure you want to connect that wallet to your account, and then your wallet will be confirmed over here in your dashboard. Once you're finished, you're gonna have all 3 of these checked off and you're done for now. You've connected your Solana wallet to your Grass account and you can go back to doing absolutely nothing and letting this thing passively farm for however long we have until the airdrop actually happens. Now, there's been a lot of speculation on when the airdrop will happen. You can see right here, we're currently in Epic 6. There have been several epics so far, and in each one you can earn a maximum amount of points you can earn in basically 1 month. These are 1 month long epics, but there's been a lot of speculation lately. If we go over to the Twitter account here and we go down to the most recent post, this is the Grass Summer post, right? This is where they're announcing that you can actually go and put your Solana wallet on your account, and it also kind of hints to the fact that we're getting closer to the point where the token generation event, the airdrop, actually happens. Almost all these images keep having the number 7. You can see right here in the sky, number 7. On her shirt, number 7. Up here on top of the house, number 7. As you can see right here, this is one of the top replies. I found all 3 sevens in here as well. People are starting to think that that could mean 2 things. 1, it could mean July, the 7th month of the year, or 2, it could mean that Epic 7, which it also would be July, the July timeframe, right? The current epic ends July 13th, so maybe the 7th epic will end at the end of July, and that will be the airdrop token generation event. That would all relate to the number 7, so that is one theory on when this could end, meaning that if you're watching this video right now when it comes out, you don't have a ton of time left till the end of July. You have about 1 month to go ahead and farm this as much as you want to before that time. Now, the last thing before I head out is there is actually a way to get 25% more airdrop points. If you go over to the store right here and go to this Grass community node, they just implemented this where you can download it and you can go ahead and get 1.25x the points that you'd get from using the extension. Now, personally, I haven't done this yet. You can see right here, it requires advanced installation. If we click download, it actually downloads a program, a file, and it does take a little bit of setup. I'm not going to show you how to do that on this video simply because I don't think it's personally worth the 25% more to go through that process. I think it's also a bit more invasive on your computer, and personally, I just don't feel comfortable installing something like that on my PC. That's my personal preference, but I did want to point that out to you guys. If you wanted to try it, have at it, but I personally have not used it and I won't be. That's all there is to this airdrop. It is, again, super passive. You sign up on grass.matscrypto.com. You go and download the Chrome web extension. You sign into your account on the web extension, and you are literally done. That's all you have to do. You can refer your friends and get referral rewards. So if you want to do that as well, it's on the referral program tab on the dashboard. Before you head out, make sure you go over and watch this other video, though, because this is another easy airdrop that you might want to participate in.